If you want to produce a great video, you'll need great sounding audio along with your picture. In this segment, we're going to show you how to capture dialogue inside of a car. There are 4 possible approaches to miking the occupants in a vehicle. If the car has an open sunroof or is an open convertible, you could boom it from overhead. This works well for stationary vehicles and also if the car is being hauled on a low-slung flatbed process trailer, although wind can be a factor even with the Zeppelin windscreen. Another option is for the actors to wear lavaliers under their wardrobe, but clothing noise and seatbelts can make that difficult. The best approach is to use a plant mic inside of the vehicle. One very popular technique is to rig a moderately directional short shotgun, such as the BP 4073 short shotgun or the AT 4053 condenser cardioid, down in the center console area in between the driver and the passenger. The presence of a handbrake or a shifter lever makes it easier to clamp a mic into position. Use a good shock mount along with the clamp, since there will be a good amount of vibration from the drivetrain and the suspension. There are some drawbacks to this approach. In addition to the mechanical vibration, there is also increased engine and transmission noise, which often extends beyond the easily filtered low bass. Also, the underside of the car may be subject to impact from gravel or road debris. A single microphone will feature either the driver or the passenger, but not both at the same time. And depending on the camera angle, the microphone might be visible in the shot. Instead, what we recommend is to plant a tiny lavalier up on the sun visor. Use a natural-sounding lavalier, such as the AT899 or MT830, for the most natural-sounding dialogue between driver and passenger. Planting a lavalier on the sun visor has some distinct advantages. The visor is only inches away from the face, yet maximum distance away from the noisy undercarriage of the car. The visor and the ceiling above it are well padded, so it minimizes echo while blocking out exterior noise. If the goal is to emulate a conversation on a cell phone, then a lavalier such as the AT803 can deliver an emphasized close-up feel. One lav placed on the inside edge of either the driver's side or passenger side visor will easily pick up both characters. Select which visor to use, either based on camera angle or to favor the weaker voice. Attach the lav near the edge of the visor using the sticky triangle technique. The triangle provides a large mounting surface as well as good isolation against vibration and rumble. Remember to form the small loop behind the mic capsule to protect against vibration traveling up the mic cable. Use a few strips of tape to securely anchor the lavalier and cable to the visor. If wind due to an open window or roof is a problem, then add the heavy-duty lavalier windscreen. Dress the thin lavalier cable along the visor arm and then along an inside edge of the windshield. Depending on the camera angle and the design of the passenger compartment, either double back along the top edge of the windshield or just tuck the cable along the vertical seam and then down to the floor. Use either an appropriately colored cloth tape or clear tape, such as the Transport medical tape. A colored Sharpie or artist pen can also be used to paint a strip of white tape so that it blends in. For passengers in the back seat, add another lav to the back of the headrest or string it artfully along the ceiling to the dome light. Follow these simple tips and all your car shots can sound amazing. In the video studio or on location, AUDIO-TECHNICA has you covered.